Alright guys, I got a 2013 BMW 525i here. I'm going to show you guys how to reset your service lights on. We got the key right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to push that button. Just going to push it one time. And then you're going to press that trip button right there. You're going to press and hold it. Now it says brake fluid reset possible. You can release it. Press and hold it again. Let go and then press and hold it again. Then it'll say reset in progress. Alright, reset successful. If you want to go to a different setting, engine oil, reset possible, rear brake pads. We just did a front and rear brake pads in this, so we're gonna go ahead and reset the front and back. Press and hold it. Reset, let go of the button and then push it again and hold. Reset unsuccessful. I don't know why it did that. Let me see, we're gonna go in the front first, but that's how you reset the service lights on. Vehicle check, reset possible, press and hold it. Let go, press reset again. I don't know why it's saying unsuccessful. Anyway, that's how you do it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you got any questions, comment, or any comments, just comment below, click like on the video. Thank you for watching.